Are you a Hindu?
I'm actually your favorite. I'm an atheist.
Atheist,
That's what I
mashallah.
heard you enjoyed.
You're atheist. You're my favorite.
No, I'm not your friend, but I was told that you like having debates with such.
Yes, atheist. Okay, brother, you're an atheist. Fine. I would like to congratulate you.
You'd like to what?
I would like to congratulate you. You know why?
Why?
The reason I congratulate you because all the others, all the human beings, they're blindly following. Father is a Christian, so son is a Christian. His parents are Hindu, he's a Hindu. Many of the Muslim parents are Muslims. You are thinking. I don't know if their father was atheist. Father was atheist? No. Good. So you're thinking. These are the people, they worship this Almighty God who falls down and breaks. So you are thinking. And the reason I congratulate you is because you have said the first part of the Islamic Shahada, La ilaha, there is no God. You have already said half the kalma.
But not the second part.
They have said the full kalma. You are half Muslim now. Atheist means half kalma, you know, La ilaha. Only thing I have to do is illallah but Allah, which I shall do inshallah. I am congratulating you because you have agreed to the other people who believe in wrong gods. First I have to spend half my time in trying to convince them the God you are worshipping is wrong. You have already agreed there is no God. Only thing I have to do is prove to you about Allah, which I shall do inshallah. Brother, suppose there is equipment which is bought. Equipment is bought in front of you. No one in the world has ever seen. No human being has seen is bought in front of you. And if I ask you the question, who is the first person who will be able to tell you the mechanism of that equipment?
I've heard this speech and it's the creator.
It's the creator. So the creator of that equipment will be the first person who will be able to tell you the mechanism of that object. You may say creator, you may say manufacturer, you may say inventor, you may say maker, whatever it is, somewhat similar. Now I'm asking you a question. How did this universe come into existence? How did this universe come into existence?
You are going to now mention the Big Bang and all
No,
of
I'm
that.
asking you.
Yeah.
Don't tell me what I'm going to mention. I
Well,
want to know what is the...
If you
No,
want
you are... I'm asking you according to your knowledge.
No, the thing is, I've actually heard this speech before. I'm
Fine.
actually a good fan of yours, you know that?
MashaAllah, you're a good fan. Good fan, theoretical or practical? If you're a
Theoretical
practical
and
fan,
practical.
you will follow. If I'm wrong, you correct me. If I'm right, you join me.
No, I only learnt about you about 2 weeks back, actually.
Fine. So in 2 weeks, you became a great fan. MashaAllah, I'm very happy about it. In 2 weeks, you learn about me. That means you know. You know about the creation, the Big Bang,
Yes,
which we
yes,
came
yes,
to know
yes. I know all
recently.
of that,
Quran mentioned 14 years ago in Surah Anbiya chapter 21, verse number 30. Avalam yara allazina kafaru.
Well, I don't know the verses, but...
Fine, but you know that.
Yeah.
Similarly, we did not know that the earth was spherical. We came to know recently. Quran mentioned 14 years ago in Surah Naziyat chapter 7 and
Yes,
verse number
I
30,
know.
it is spherical. We thought first the light of the moon is its own light. Quran mentions 14 years ago, the light of the moon is not its own light, reflected light, which we came to know recently. Who could have mentioned this? There's biology, there is water cycle, which you learned in school. There is embryology, there is genetics. My question is, who could have mentioned all these things in the Quran? So if you have heard this, you also know the answer. Who could have mentioned in the Quran? Same answer.
The creator.
The creator. This creator who has mentioned in the Quran, we call as Allah. So that means you believe in the creator. Who could have mentioned this in the Quran? The creator. The creator who created the human beings, the person who created all this universe.